Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on eye comfort mode on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So what the eye comfort mode does is it makes the colors warmer, and it makes it easier to read, for example, in the dark, and it's easier on your eyes. So to enable this option, what we're going to do is open up the settings, and then we're going to scroll to display and brightness. Here we're going to tap on eye comfort, and here you can either schedule, so scheduled when it starts and when it ends, or you can just enable it all day, and it's going to kind of change the colors. I'm not sure if it's noticeable on the screen right now, but when it's enabled, you can see this little eye icon in the top right. You also add a filter level, which changes the level of the warmness. So you can also play around with that. You have flicker reduction, which if you are experiencing flickering, you can enable that option. That's pretty much everything. So this is how you enable it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.